Hello, my name is Stephen Al Bachman. I'm a patient at the Cancer Center for Healing. Um, I've come twice now. This is my second time. The first time was about 5 months ago. I found out about the center doing some research for holistic medicine, for natural healing, rather than going with chemo, just strictly that. My disease is called MDS. It's an early stage of leukemia, and I found out about my cancer, getting a basic general physical, and my red blood cells were flagged as having a problem. So I went to an oncology doctor or hematologist. They ran tests, and then they did a bone marrow biopsy on me and found out that I had cancer. I had blasts, they call it, which are small tumors in the blood. My percentage was fairly low. I tried chemo, it wasn't working for me. I tried all the standard Western methods. It wasn't going to help me. And I'm 78, as I said. And so I needed to be very proactive. So I read up on alternative medicines, holistic, and I found out about this clinic here in Irvine. So I came here, my wife and I, from North Carolina, and started getting their protocol that would treat me through Dr. Keneally. And they've done an excellent job. I'm feeling great. My cancer seems to be stabilized, if not better, it appears. I did have a blood smear, and my red blood cells now look very much better than initially before I came here. So I'm very happy with the treatments I'm getting. I'm getting hyperbaric, and I'm getting ozone, and a supplement to that, I'm getting endo laser, which is wonderful. It's different laser lights right into the bloodstream. All these work very effectively on my issue, as particularly that I know of, because I have a blood cancer. So they're directly attacking it. And I'm getting also far infrared saunas, and that's very good for me. I'm getting vitamin C infusions, 50 milligrams twice a week. And that's something I can do back in North Carolina too, because I come here for a month each time. I'm getting the RGCC blood test, which is sent to Greece, and they have a wonderful way of establishing just exactly what's going on in the blood and how to attack the cancer through various analysis of things in your system and things that you intake into your system to see how your body reacts to them. They check over, I think, 280 different protocol. So I got that test, which is really good, something you'll never get in Western medicine. And then they give you an SOT from that, which is put an infusion into your blood system, and that will last for approximately 21 weeks, and it will keep on going through your body for that period of time. And then I've come back my second time to get that done again, and they ran the RGCC on me for the blood test, and they'll send that to Greece again, just like before, and they will reestablish, reevaluate, and give me an SOT again that will last me an additional 21 weeks approximately, and fight the cancer. And it all seems to be working very well for me. I feel very good. I still surf at my age. I'm very active. I'm not fatigued like they say the disease I have, the MDS, would make you feel like leukemia does. So I'm very pleased with the clinic and the type of treatment I'm getting. It's wonderful. I also had a side note issue occur to me, which is squamous carcinoma cancer, and it was on my lip. and I had several others before, and I've had mole surgery. And mole surgery is very difficult, very painful, and very damaging to the body. And it can leave scars, gross scars on the face and such. And Dr. Keneally saw that I had this on my lip. And again, this is just a sidebar. This isn't what I initially came here for. But she said that they have a laser here that can treat this problem without this very invasive surgery, which I've been through several of them. But this one was going to be pretty major because it was on my lip. This mole surgery, which is not good to get at all, but that's what the normal skin doctor would be doing for you. And so I had Dr. Acevedo do the laser treatments to me. He did 2 treatments, a couple of days apart. They only last 18 minutes roughly, and targeted to the spot. And it took care of it. It was very not invasive, not very painful at all, not restrictive of my life, whereas the mole surgery just destroys your life for practically a week or 2 at least. And I like to go surfing, and with mole surgery, you can't surf for 3 weeks. And with this, it's like 3 days or 4 days, you're out. So it doesn't limit your life and what you do like mole surgery does, and it's not as invasive, it's not as painful, and it's not as damaging. This is just a small little dot now. It's been about 20 weeks, and it's pretty much totally healed and did a wonderful job. And I would really recommend for anyone that needs that sort of treatment that they come to the clinic here and get that laser treatment. It's so much better. And I want to make a special thank you to the staff here and Dr. Keneally and all the technicians and the coordinators. Miles has been wonderful to give you a individual person that walks you through all the procedures, set up your schedule for you so you know what you're getting for the whole week, week by week. And Molly is wonderful, and the people down in the endo laser department, they're all specialized, and they're very helpful and very considerate and understanding, and just work you through it and make you feel very comfortable during all the treatments you get.